Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome. If you're new, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing some dip powders that I got from Rossi Nails. I got a lot of them and I'm so excited for y'all to see all of the dip powders that I got. So I'm just going to be starting with the small box. And they also sent me this clear dip powder as well separately. So it's basically like three things I got: a big box, a medium box, and then they sent this clear dip powder as well. And I'm just showing you guys the box that each of the dip powders comes in, and there are a lot of things that are written on these boxes. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys, this is the clear dip powder. And then I'm just going to be showing you guys each of the other dip powders that they sent in the medium size box. They don't have names assigned to them, only letters and numbers. So yeah, now this is the larger box right here, and look at all of the dip powders that they have in this box. Oh my goodness. And also some dip powder liquids. So they sent a dip powder base, and I'm just showing you guys the box that it comes in and what is written on the box. And this is what the bottle looks like, and they also sent some activator as well. Now these are the rest of the dip powders that I got in the larger box. I swatched the dip powders off camera and this is how they look. So let's get right into the videos. So I'm just gonna do some nail prep. So I start by pushing back the cuticles. This is necessary to reduce lifting of the nails. Then I buff the surface of the nails to remove the shine. If you are doing it on your natural nails, that's what you need to do. However, I am applying nail extensions to my nails, so I'm just buffing the surface of the nail extensions to remove the shine. Then I'm going to be using this blue dip powder and also this white glitter dip powder. So starting on the pinky nail, I just apply a layer of the dip powder base to the whole pinky nail. Then I dip my finger at a 45-degree angle into the blue dip powder. I tap off the excess and then I brush off the excess. Then onto the middle nail, I am going to be doing the same thing. Now moving on to the index nail, I apply a layer of the dip powder base to the whole nail. And then I would dip my finger into the blue dip powder, tap off the excess and then I brush off the excess. And then I am going to be doing the same thing again. So I start on the pinky nail, I apply a layer of the dip powder base, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing for the rest of the nails. And I did about 3 layers of that on each nail so that the nail can be more opaque. So actually I did 3 layers on the middle nail only because the other 2 nails are going to be ombre nails, so I didn't want those nails to be too thick. I kind of forgot how this nail design was supposed to be, so my bad. So yes, only on the middle nail I applied 3 layers. The rest of the nails had 2 layers of the blue dip powder. So now I'm going to be using this glitter white dip powder, and I would highly recommend doing all of your nails first and encapsulating all of your nails first before using this white glitter, because this white glitter gets everywhere and it's very messy. So I would advise encapsulating your other nails first so that none of the white glitter from this would get onto those other nails that you don't want glitter to be on. And I did 2 layers of this white glitter on the ring nail, but it is a really pretty white glitter. It's just very messy. Now I'm just going to be doing some ombre nails with the white glitter, and here is where I went really wrong. This white glitter cannot do ombre nails. It just made a mess. It looked good, but it didn't look like ombre nails. It looked weird, but I still went with it because the nails still looked good. So I did apply the powder base, and now I am using the brush to tap the white glitter onto the pinky nail to create ombre nails. And yes, it did not turn out the way I wanted it to, but it wasn't bad, so I went with it. It looked good. Now moving on to the index nail, I'm going to be doing the same thing. Now I'm going to be encapsulating the nails, so I applied a layer of the powder base and then I dipped my finger into clear the powder. I am not using the clear the powder that Rossi Nails sent me because I didn't want to contaminate that clear the powder. This clear the powder that I'm using here is what I usually use when I am encapsulating glitter nails because it's already contaminated. So yeah, I'm just going to be encapsulating all of the nails except the middle nail with 2 layers of clear the powder. Then I'm applying a generous amount of activator to all of the nails and then I wait for the nails to harden. Then I filed the nails off camera, and this is after filing of the nails. Now I'm going to apply some gel top coat to all of the nails and cure for 30 seconds. Okay, so on the middle nail I applied a layer of my Model 1's gel glue, and then I apply some of the gel top coat. And before curing that, I placed some rhinestones on the middle nail and then I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm applying my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. And this is the finished look, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this simple nail design that I did using Rossi Nail dip powders. I think it turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.